All right, guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how to charge your Arlo Essential camera. Before I show you that, though, I want to show you inside of the app where you can see how much battery life the camera has. So I open up the app, I hit the settings of that camera, and here is the battery at 88%. Now, if this was lower, obviously we would want to charge it, which is where this comes in. So here's the Essential camera. At the bottom, this thing right here, this is where you're going to actually pop off to insert the micro USB for charging. Now, if you have fingernails, you probably can get that little lip. I do not, so I will use a pen to fit into this little hole and just pop this thing off. Nice and easy. And here, with it off, you can see the mini USB port to which we would plug in, and then obviously plug in the receiving side. So really short cord, actually. Now, what's a little bit more tricky is putting this back in, because there's little holes here. Let's see if I can point these out. Here and here for these little rubber clips to fit into. And on mine, at least, I think it was cut a little bit short. So actually, in order to get this side in, I got to pull it back just a little bit to get it to lay all the way flat. So let's see if I can get that to fit in there. Nope. Oh, there we go. All right. So that pushes everything back flat and looking good. So yeah, guys, I hope this helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.